this video, I'm going to show you how to import wallet from BullX to Nova. So before we begin, of course, you will need a BullX account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can check that link out, and via using my link, you can get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on BullX. So make sure you check it out and sign up with my link. Now, once you've done that, you will have to go over here inside BullX. And what you'll have to do is just hover over the logo here on the left and go to Wallet Manager. In here, you will see all your wallets, and you should have your private keys for these wallets saved because you can only see them once. And once you've created your new wallet or created your BullX account, of course, you will get the private key as well. So you just want to get that private key because we're going to need it. And of course, don't share it with anyone, by the way, because that can be very dangerous. And I'm just going to create a new wallet over here to show you. And you can then click over here where it says one private keys, and you'll be able to export it in case you're creating a new wallet just for Nova. Now, when you have your private key, you want to head onto Telegram and enter the Nova bot. So just find the Nova bot. If you don't know how to get there, you can simply go to this website over here, which is called click.tradeonnova.io. You can download their extension and then connect the Telegram bot, and via that you'll be able to get access to their Telegram bot over here. Now, inside this, what you want to do is first hover over and click on Menu. And from Menu, you want to click on Wallets. From here, tap Import Wallet, and then you will have to give it a name. So, as you can see, it says, what would you like to name this wallet? Just type in BullX or something like that. It doesn't really matter. And then press Enter. And it says, please enter the private key of the wallet. So you then have to just paste in your private key, click enter, and just like that, your wallet will be added to your list. And then you will, of course, be able to see it. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.